Decoding SOC, your ultimate guide to security operations centers. Introduction to SOC, enhancing cybersecurity through security operations centers. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring the world of security operations centers, commonly known as SOCs. If you're curious about how organizations defend themselves against cyber threats, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. What is a SOC? At its core, a security operations center is a centralized unit within an organization responsible for monitoring and managing security across all systems. Think of it as the nerve center that keeps a vigilant eye on potential cyber threats. Key functions of ASOC. 1. Monitoring and analysis, constantly watching for suspicious activities. 2. Incident response, rapidly addressing and mitigating security incidents. 3. Threat intelligence, staying ahead by analyzing the latest cyber threats. 4. Vulnerability management, identifying and patching weaknesses in the system. SOC components. ASOC comprises skilled professionals, cutting-edge technology, and robust processes. Team members include analysts, incident responders, and threat hunters, working together to ensure a proactive defense against cyber threats. Technologies used in ASOC. To stay ahead of cyber adversaries, SOCs utilize advanced technologies such as SIEM security information and event management, IDS/IPS intrusion detection system, intrusion prevention system, and threat intelligence platforms. These tools help in the early detection and prevention of security incidents. Real-world example. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a company's SOC detects a suspicious pattern of activity. The analysts investigate, identify a potential threat, and swiftly implement countermeasures to neutralize it. This is the kind of proactive defense that ASOC provides. Importance of ASOC. As cyber threats continue to evolve, having a robust SOC is crucial for businesses and organizations. It not only helps prevent and mitigate attacks, but also ensures a rapid response, minimizing the impact of security incidents. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, SOCs play a pivotal role in safeguarding organizations from cyber threats. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like more content on cybersecurity or any specific topics.